So, I've not recorded anything, neither has Javi this week, but let me give you a quick rundown on everything we've done so far. So Tuesday night, with this whole gas shortage crap, Javi decided to take the CRV up and tap off the tank because it had a little more than like a quarter of a tank in it. And he calls me that the battery died and I needed to come jump it. It wasn't the battery, it was the alternator. So Wednesday, he took off work and replaced the alternator. So that was fun. He today pulled, oh my gosh, I think I have a dog hair on my nose, sorry guys. The fuel pump back out and found out that there was a little tube that was missing, that it wasn't installed. So that's helping it run, but we're still having a weird electrical issue that we're assuming is possibly the alternator going bad. So we're going to try to take it up to the shop real quick and have the alternator tested.
Fix the fuel issue.
But he did fix the fuel issue. There's like a little tube that connects to this other little tube, and it's what actually pulls the fuel up to the system. Yeah, from the pump to the front. So it was running lean and it was not running properly. So that got fixed. He actually drove it around and drove perfectly. But now we're thinking the alternator's bad. Gauges are all going haywire and stuff. So we're gonna go get it tested.
Second alternator of the week.
Yeah, second alternator for the week, guys. Woo-hoo. But on the note of the first alternator, that was the one that we had to replace in the middle of Ghetto Lakeland in the Advanced Auto Parts parking lot in the rain. If you guys don't remember that video, it's somewhere. It's when we went to get the Prelude sunroof. So feel free to go check out that video. I'll put a link in the description to that video if you guys are interested. So luckily we were able to warranty that one out and not have to buy a new one. And they recharged the battery, so my car is good to go. But I'll probably need a battery in a year because it's already 2 years old. The clutch is not great either. Needs brakes and a clutch. And by brakes,
Needs a radio,
yeah.
power steering, AC.
The brake booster is leaking really bad. So we're gonna have to pull that out, get a new brake booster. The back brakes still need to be done. We did not do the discs and rotors. So.
Come on, baby.
Going the speed bump way?
Yeah. This whole body just literally just.
Oh, I believe it.
I can kind of see out of this mirror that one left side that she's lining it up, right? I can see the trees.
Speed bump test.
Clench your butt cheeks.
Clench it up.
There's mine. Sounds like a rotary.
This is bad.
At least we're not going far. Oh, come on.
Well, at least they're not behind you.
That is true. Can't really see you. Want to drop?
Let's not drain any more power. Don't drain any more power!
Why? It's getting hot.
Don't mind us. Just trying to. Putts in here dying. Guys, look at this thing. Oh, yeah.
S2000.
Yeah. He's just happy it has S2000 seats in it. Look at this. Oh my God. He says it's LS swapped. This thing is beautiful. I don't know who owns it, but thank you for making this thing so pretty. the camera on the seat and we lifted the Miata, so I couldn't show you guys the underside, but you don't want to really see it. We pulled off where the ground of the battery connects to the body, cleaned it up real quick with a grinder, and then reattached it. So we're gonna see if maybe it was just a dirty connection and it was getting intermittent, like, ground. I don't know. The alternator tested fine. It stayed over 14. The loop. So we're going to drive the Miata. Ah, yeah, hopefully. Hopefully, we'll see. He already drove it. Kind of, mostly. It only stalls out occasionally. It's all good, right? The brakes kind of are sketchy, but it's
Kind
all
of
good,
are
right?
sketchy? You don't
Yeah.
understand.
That's why I don't really want to take it around like where there's other cars and stuff.
You don't. I took it to the.
Yeah, well that's you. I don't want to do that.
That's why I'm the one that most of the time.
That way if you get in an accident, I can be like, no, I don't know why he was driving my car.
Oh yeah.
I don't even know if I can drive this thing.
I mean,
We're about to find out.
I would probably wait. Just turn it on and make sure it runs, and you gotta drop the windows and shit. Sorry.
Battery?
Oh yeah. Key. I also put the rear bumper on.
I see that. She's got a full booty.
I kind of like it without the boot, without the bumper, honestly.
We went from wasps to spiders. She was really trying. Oh, my battery's almost dead. Probably. So I'm back to doing my normal thing of not recording an end. My battery did die. I did get to drive around the loop. It was fun. I definitely miss dailying a Miata every day. This one's a little different than the one that I had. Mine was completely stock. But it's still fun. It's like a little street legal go-kart. And it's bumpy. The suspension is definitely stiff. The brakes definitely need to be redone. And tie rod ends and stuff, it's definitely gotta happen. But, you know, we're a step closer every day. Javi really has been working hard to get this thing ready to drive. Because he wants to stop driving the S2000, but good news, we finally got the title for his Prelude, so we should be getting a key made hopefully this week to see how that turns out. We're hoping they did everything right and the car will just start up and go. That's the hopes. We'll just knock on wood real quick. And yeah. And obviously this video is supposed to be released this past Monday and it's not getting released until now. My schedule is really crazy. I'm working more than full time and going to school, and we had summer vibes and everything happening and we were trying to prep for it and all that jazz. So now we're a little bit behind schedule, but I still did it. And I hope you guys enjoyed that LS because that thing was beautiful. That was such a well-built car, and that guy was so humble about it. He's like, no, this is like my 10-footer. If you want to see one of the better cars and take pictures of a better car, we'll bring something else out. He's got like 2 RX-7s. One of those is LS swapped. And then I want to say he has like a Supra or something too. Goals. That's goals right there. But yeah, until next time.